Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. Well, you can't really see it right now until I open it, but it is an auger set for your drill bits. So it makes it nice so you can dig holes into the ground super easy. So we're gonna open this up and I'll show you how it works in a second. Well, let's just see all the different pieces and parts first, and then I'll show you how one works. So you get a few of these, so you get like this one here. See? Pretty good. And the way it works is it sticks into your drill bit so you can dig holes to do some planting. So you get long one, short one, and are they about the same width? They're about the same width. You just get long and short, I guess. There, and then we have here. Wow, this one's huge. You get a big old one here, and this one here is, I guess, a medium. So you get huge, medium, slightly smaller, and same as that one, just maybe slightly smaller even too. So it looks like 4 different sizes here. So very cool. So I'm gonna go take one of these out. I'm just gonna grab this one here and I'm gonna show you how it works outside. Okay, so it's kind of dark, but I'll give you guys a little view of how it works. So I have it here in my little Ryobi drill. It's just a very small drill, but this is how it works in here. So hopefully you guys can see what's happening. If you just put it to where you want it to be, and then you just dig it, makes yourself a hole. So you can just dig a few holes. Whoa, that went really deep. See? You just make your holes and ground up the dirt. So how cool is that? And that's what it does. So it definitely works. It makes it easy. And even with my little low power drill, it still is able to do some good augering. So thumbs up, awesome. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.